Another short video of my sky view glass top for my 55 Thunderbird. Just set the top and the rear window in place. It's not snapped in because I'm going to do the headliner first, but just to see what it looks like, and did a little bit of polishing of the stainless trim, and kind of see how it looks on the inside now. Put a small chrome strip around the border right beside where the rubber will snap in. You see it going around there. But that's more or less how it will look. The part that's behind the dome light, that's black at the top, that will be white. That white will continue on, and will be the correct headliner type material with the little perforations in it. But anyway, so there you go.